This is going to be a almost personal reading, all signs collective, soulmate to influence, what all you guys could expect in your connection. So let's start. All that I need to know. So let's take 3 cards for you. What's going on with you for the next 72 hours? Okay, right now with 8 of Pentacles, many of you guys are trying to focus on yourself, trying to build yourself, trying to heal yourself, trying to help yourself. Majorly, I also see you very focused on your finances, like basically focused. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up in your life for the next 72 hours? Okay, with the Judgment card, I do believe you guys have a decision to make, if at all. You guys are stuck in a third party situation where there is more than one person involved directly, sorry, or indirectly. You guys have a decision to make. Okay, whether you are in or whether you are out. If you feel stuck in a situation, right, you have a decision to make, whether you are wanting to put in more effort, or whether you're just wanting to choose something new. Okay, one more card. What else do you see coming up in your life? Okay, with the Devil card, many of you guys are finding it difficult to completely not think about someone. Okay, with the Devil card, you feel a secret obsession with someone, or you are not being able to find a way out of a connection. Okay, it's like you know that this connection has not been good for you, it hasn't been healthy, it may not have a long term future, yet you are not being able to completely let go of it. It's not like you haven't tried, you are trying, you're still in the process, but you're not there yet. Okay, you still feel this attachment towards this person. Okay, one more card. In terms of your connection relationship, what's the energy going to be like? Okay. In terms of your connection relationship with Knight of Swords, bottom card 7 of Wands, I believe things have been very in and out, like very on and off. Okay, some days your person comes forward, some days they message you, and some days they are just pushing you off, just wanting to stay at a distance, just maintaining distance, or selected few of you whole morning they are not messaging you, and like only at night time they start messaging you, or possibly trying to get a reaction out of you. Okay, so what's your person up to, like what are they going through? Okay. For selected few of you, I see your person already having an option. Okay. The Lovers card, Ace of Swords, I believe they are talking to someone. If at all you think your person is single, and only focused on you, I don't think so. I do think that they have someone else. That the Devil card, the Lovers card, and you know about it. Some of you have a idea as to this is happening. Like something is going on behind your back. Okay, in terms of you, how are they thinking about you? How are they possibly thinking about you now? It's like they have an option. I'm not saying like they are sleeping with someone, or they are cheating you. I'm gonna say that. So this is general reading. Okay. With you, I believe there was like a marriage situation with you. Like they want to think about something more than that, and that has been confusing them. It's like for some of you, you wanted marriage with this person. You could have given them that idea as to where you want this things, where you want this connection to go, relationship to go, and they are just messed up. Like what to do now. There's you who's wanting marriage, who's wanting something long term, and there's another one maybe who's new, who they've just met, and you always know someone you just meet is always fun. Someone who's you just meet is always going to be interesting. You on the other hand, you guys have met, you guys have spent months together, so it might not have the spark it once had. Okay, one more card. In terms of that, what's their energy towards you? What's their energy towards you? The next 72 hours, Spirit, what's going on? Energy towards you is 7 of Swords. This person is checking you out, they are stalking you, but they are not coming in clean. It's like they're coming off half-assed. Like they are in and they are out. Okay, I do believe they sometimes try to get a reaction out of you, but they also maintain a distance from you. Okay, so with 7 of Swords, this person is acting all sneaky. One more card. In terms of their feelings now. How do they truly feel for you? Queen of Cups. Bottom card, Six of Cups. It's like they know that you are their person, that you are their soulmate, but your person wouldn't stop entertaining new opportunities or entertaining new soulmates. That has been a lifelong problem. Okay, your person is kind of like a player. They won't mind more attention, and that's always getting in the way. Okay, one more card. In terms of their heart space, what's going on? It's like they always think about you. You're always on their mind. But I do feel that they're confused about this. They haven't made their mind about I want to marry this person. I want to get hitched with this person. I want to spend my life with this person. They are not there yet. Okay, they are still very confused in terms of, do they have feelings for you? They do, but are they acting on those feelings? They are not. Okay, they are letting their confusion take control. They are letting their confusion get in the way. Okay, in terms of their headspace, what's happening, Spirit? In terms of their headspace as well, with Ace of Wands, it's like, even if they cannot give you the commitment, they still want to have fun with you. They still want to have this passionate connection with you. Okay, with Knight of Cups, I do feel like in the past, some of them might have reached out. It's not like they are completely silent. Selected few of you, you guys could have got a message. Okay, one more card. In terms of their intention, Spirit, what's going on? In terms of their intentions, just like I told you, okay, they want to have fun. Okay, they do not want to get fixed as of now. They still want to have fun. They still want to act, or want to act hard to get, like, they are something precious that you should go after. They still want that. They still want that chase. Okay, one more card. In terms of action, what action I want to take towards you? In terms of action, what action they want to take towards you, please? In terms of action, I do see them wanting to come forward, wanting to reach out, wanting to act, somewhat coming forward in terms of communication, like show you that they are still interested. Okay, in terms of what is blocking them, like what's getting in the way, Spirit? If you guys are open for a casual connection, casual relationship, this person has no problems with that. If you guys want marriage, that's kind of freaking them out. Okay, what's been the problem is the past. Five of Cups, the past is still bothering them. You guys could be still questioning them, or still hinting how they have treated you in the past, or still triggering them by kind of like saying things to them that makes them realize what they have done to you. I won't say that it's a good thing or a bad thing, but sometimes that triggers them. With Five of Cups, they know that they did you wrong. Okay, and it bothers them. Like, what if I do the same thing? Like, what if this thing that we have right now goes back to what it has been, like the past, the broken connection, the pain, the misery, that all freaks them out. I believe the past is very much getting in the way. They may feel like they had you and they lost you. Like, this is a missed opportunity. Okay, one more card as to what could be blocking. Two of Cups, just like I told you. This connection in the past wasn't balanced. Okay, it wasn't completely devoted towards each other or committed towards each other. I do feel in the past it was very much one sided. Six of Pentacles, where you were giving in and they were taking. Okay, right now what could be blocking is, I very much see a third option in the picture. Okay, like there's you and there's someone else. Okay, I see a third part, not third option, a third party. Okay, one more card as to what's happening with the third party. If your person has a third party, what's the connection like, where things are going? I believe with Seven of Wands, things are not going anyway. Okay, They do have them, but they just have them. Nothing is happening there. Okay, one more card as to what could happen for the next 72 hours. No, I don't think that connection is going anywhere. With Four of Cups, that is as stagnant as your connection. Okay, uh, one more card as to why did they entertain the third party? What got them entertaining the third party? I believe with Emperor card, they were more in control of the third party. Okay, like they were more in control as to how, where the connection was going, what they could offer, how they could offer, what they could take. So that dominating side of them, kind of made them feel good about it. Okay, that they were in control. They like being in control. With you, they were not in control. Okay, now coming back to you, where could things be going between you and them for the next 72 hours? King of Wands, I do see your person taking action towards you, since we have seen the third party thing is basically stagnant for the next couple of days. One more card as to what can you expect from them now? What can you guys possibly expect from them now? Okay, so if this person was silent with Four of Swords, then I see Ten of Swords. That is them ending the silence. Okay, one card for in terms of action. What can you guys expect for the next 72 hours? Temperance card. Just like I told you, things could get normal between the two of you. It could get to a point where you guys discuss the problems, the issues, the past. Okay, one card for where the connection is going for the next 72, Spirit. Where do we see the connection going for the next 72? So we do have two cards. Again, both mean the same thing. We see Ace of Cups, so there could be a revival of the connection. With Knight of Cups, I do feel that your person will make a move towards you. Okay, I very much see that. Almost 70-75% of you guys will get a reaction, or will get a message, or will get some sort of communication. Now, coming back to those who haven't been in communication for more than say 6 months, there's been nothing. Okay, now you guys can't relate to tarot. Okay, you guys might need a personal reading, because I can't connect with you guys, because nothing much has happening. Like you guys, your person could have already chosen someone else, and the person is maintaining that connection. Whereas when I do tarot, we do tarot for the next past couple of months, like 2 months, 3 months. Okay, so if you have someone who you haven't spoken for more than a year, then get a personal reading, or get moving towards something new. Okay, one card for what your person want from you now. What does your person want from you now? Okay, your person, if at all you have ghosted them, they want you to give them the attention. With Nine of Swords, I believe you've been acting all detached and unbothered, and oh my god, I don't want to see your face again, you've hurt me. They want you to stop doing that. Okay, so yeah, coming back to spirit messages now. So what should you be knowing for the next 72? Give me 3 cards, spirit. Okay. So in the past, they were not trying harder, but it wasn't over. Won't try harder, but not over. Like, what's the current energy, spirit? What should my people be knowing about their person? Okay, for some of you, I believe you guys want family, and they very much know about it. Like, if they choose you, they'll have to go forward fully. They can't come off half-assed. Okay, like come off just for a fling or two. This person would want to commit and have something long term, right? In terms of the future, what should you guys be knowing? It's like they know what you want from them. Okay, even if they pretend to not know, they know, pretty much know. So in the near future, that is the next couple of days, unsure about it, is at crossroads. So they are very much kind of, I just told you, right? They haven't made their mind as to where they want this to go, or what they want this to look like. But for now, I see them taking action. Okay, what could be getting in the way for many of you? This person wasn't your type completely. I'm not saying like they were something different or better or worse. Something kind of wasn't connecting. Okay, uh, and for some of you, looks matter. I do not know why I'm getting that, but looks matter. I do not know who is average or who looks very good. I do not know. That's just the ego speaking. The heart always connects with the soul, okay? But the ego wants looks. Ego wants finances. Ego wants, you know, a good life. So I don't know, man. But for now, I see a person taking action. Okay, I can't promise you about commitment because that isn't showing right now. Okay, so all those who connected this reading, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. Please support the channel with your support, follows, likes. It really means a lot. My family has been going through a lot of shit lately, but things have been going fine, better. But you can't say nothing. Some days it's good, some days it's bad. So still doing good, but for now I would say that they are stable. Thank you for all your prayers, all your good wishes. Okay, thank you for the good vibes. Coming back, if you guys want a personal reading, do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. There's a discount going on. Please visit the website. All those who have already booked, like I told you, I'll be late couple of days, like 2 3 days, but I'm trying to get back. I have given some. There's half a dozen still left to be done. Okay, but I'm still on it. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.